Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make use of Google Calendar using your mobile phone. This video is a follow-up of the video I made earlier on how to make use of Google Calendar from start to finish, and it was a pretty long video which I explained everything about Google Calendar. This video is just focused on how you can navigate through the mobile version of your Google Calendar application. And also, like I explained earlier in the former video, Google Calendar works both on the PC and on the mobile. It's synchronized on both devices. So if I update my Google Calendar with a particular email I'm logged into, that calendar updates automatically on the PC because they are synchronized. So you don't need to update on the PC and update on the mobile differently. So I'm just going to show you how to create an event, tags, and birthday by clicking on the plus icon. Now, what you need to note here is that on the mobile version, you have events, you have tags, and birthday. But you don't have birthday on the PC version. You only have event, tags, and appointment scheduling, which you don't have it on the mobile version. You don't have appointment scheduling on the mobile version. So I'm only going to show you how to create events. In case you want to watch the full video, please, the link is in the description section below. Watch the full video on how to make use of Google Calendar from start to finish. So click on events, add events name, coding tutorial. I'm going to add the tutorial. Let me spell it this way in case I add another coding tutorial. So I'm going to select, does not repeat, I'm going to select every day, and I'm going to give it a default color of flamingo, and that's okay. Save. So I have my coding tutorial every day. So you can see it's 7 p.m. and I'm already getting the notification because it's 7 p.m. already. So guys, that's how to navigate Google Calendar using your mobile phone. It's very simple. It's very simple. If you know how to use it on the PC, you can use it on the mobile phone. But watch the video I made for the PC so you get a full knowledge about Google Calendar. Please hit the like button to support the video and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.